What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJY, and I'm back with one and only, the biggest boss, Ricky Rose. So, Rick Ross have questioned why no one said free LIL DURK at Rolling Loud Festival last night.
It's the biggest boss in the game, Ricky Rose. How many bring free LIL DURK at that Rolling Loud? How many? All right now, for y'all young hustlers, y'all got to learn how to do roofing. Y'all got to learn how to lay marble floors. You got to learn how to do the plumbing. This is multiple million-dollar game, multiple million-dollar game. I'm walking up on these real estate sites. I see very few brothers that's on the roofs, that's doing the plumbing, that's doing the drywall, that's doing the electricity. It's a lot of money in that. Once again, how many people said free LIL DURK at Rolling Loud?
Bro, no rapper said free LIL DURK at Rolling Loud last night, and this is so sad, man. This is crazy, man. Guys, you know, when he was outside, everyone was cool with him, everyone was chilling with him, but literally it seems that right now everyone forgets about young legend LIL DURK. This is totally true, man, period. I hope that LIL DURK will be out from prison in 2025. So guys, this was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe our channel, get the notification bells, and visit hiphop2y.com. Also, I want to send big respect and major shout out to Ricky Rose for these wonderful words. This is highly appreciated. Peace.
I think I'm being rich. Larry Hoover. Ken Word. Hallelujah. Okay. Word.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it going.